am Rajashri Linka, lecturer of Civil Department, MITM Bhubaneswar. Now I am going to discuss some MCQ questions of irrigation engineering, which is very important for your coming exam and also in competitive exam. So the first question is, your natural sub irrigation comes under subsurface irrigation. The options are true or false. So the answer is true. Why? Because it is category which comes under subsurface irrigation, as sometime water from leakage of pipes channels goes underground and causes rise in water table, and this helps in irrigation of crops nearby. So irrigation process by natural process is called your natural sub irrigation. Then the second question is, what is the other name of flood irrigation? So the options are flow irrigation, second is lift irrigation, third one is surface irrigation, and fourth one is uncontrolled irrigation. So the answer is your D, uncontrolled irrigation, because normally this of irrigation is practiced in alluvial and deltatic regions where river water level is available in hot seasons, with the soil is kept submerged and thoroughly flooded with water through saturation of land. The water can be supplied to the land by flow or partly by flow and partly by lift. Okay, then the third question is, in which of the following types of irrigation water is supplied to the crops throughout their crop period? So the options are perennial irrigation, flood irrigation, direct irrigation, storage irrigation. So the answer is your perennial irrigation, because in perennial irrigation some system water is supplied at the constant and continuous rate from perennial water sources, which get their supplies from melting soil, and in accordance with requirement of crop, water is supplied by canal distribution system. So it prefers your perennial irrigation. Then we have to discuss the 4 number of question, that is, which of the following types of irrigation system is practiced on small scale in India? So the options are natural sub irrigation, artificial sub irrigation, flood irrigation, last one is lift irrigation. So the answer is your artificial sub irrigation, because in artificial sub irrigation there is a system in which open joint drains in artificially laid below the soil to supply water to the soil by capillary. So there is a very costly and it is very costly, so can only be practiced in specific cases. So like specific cases means like favorable soil conditions and a grass crop of good returns. Okay, so the 5th number question is, what is the other name of perennial irrigation system? The first option is direct irrigation, B storage irrigation, C controlled irrigation, D flood irrigation. So your answer is your controlled irrigation, because in perennial irrigation system works perennial water sources. The flow of water in those sources can be controlled by the construction of canals, or check dams or only dams. So this is the way there is a sudden loss of water during irrigation in controlled irrigation. Okay, so the 6th question is, in India most irrigation schemes fall under which category of irrigation? So the options are river canal irrigation, tank irrigation, combined system, lift irrigation. Okay, so these are the options, and answer is, this question is, in this system solid barrier, answer is your solid barrier such a dam or storage where is constructed across the river. So volume of storage required depends upon the requirement of crops. So this the answer is your tank irrigation. Okay, then 7 of questions. 7 is what is type of irrigation schemes use pickup where. So the options are combined system, storage system, direct irrigation, perennial irrigation. So the answer is your A, that means combined system. Why? Because in this system water is first stored at upstream side of the dam. Okay, upstream side of the dam for power generation and then discharged back into the river at the downstream side of the dam. Thus, the sufficient quantity of flow is again available in the river at a suitable place in downstream. So, the answer is your combined system. Then, question number 8. Diversion scheme comes under which type of irrigation? Your diversion scheme comes under your direct irrigation. Why? Because in direct irrigation system water is directly diverted to the canal without storing water. So system low diversion where or diversion barrage is constructed across the river. So the diversion scheme for the direct irrigation system over the other system of irrigation. So it's your 8 questions. And question number 9. In what type of irrigation system land protoptry gets submerged? So the options are combined system, storage irrigation, perennial irrigation, flow irrigation. So your answer is your storage irrigation, because in storage irrigation system a solid structure such as dam, it forms a reservoir at the upstream side of the dam. Due to this some land properly gets submerged. Okay, so the answer is your storage irrigation. Then question number 10. Question number 10 says irrigation from well is what type of irrigation system? It is your lift irrigation. Why? Because in lift irrigation system mechanical means are used to supply water to the crops from irrigation. This is quite the case of wells whereby mechanical means water is supplied for the irrigation. Then your question number 11. What type of irrigation system needs mechanical means to supply water for irrigation? What type of irrigation? That means your lift. The answer is your lift irrigation. Why? Because unlike any other irrigation system, lift irrigation system is used to when water supply is very low. Okay, low in the level to run by gravitational on the land. So in such cases what happened, water needed to lifted by mechanical means irrigation. Okay, so in 12, question number 12 says in which of the following types of irrigation system hydroelectric power can be generated? The question is again, in which of the following types of irrigation system hydraulic power can be generated? The answer is your storage irrigation. Why? Now dams are constructed in this type of irrigation system which leads to formation of reservoir on the upstream side of the dam. The hydraulic power is generated when water is released through the dam for the irrigation of any other multi-purposes. So when reservoir is full. So the answer is your storage irrigation. So then question number 13. What type of irrigation system is based on merely or gravitational? That means the answer is your flow irrigation. Why? Because Flow irrigation is the type of irrigation in which supply of irrigation water is merely conveyed into the land. So, water is supplied from the higher ground to lower ground. That's why the irrigation is known as flow irrigation. Then question number 14. What type of irrigation does his diagram represents? In this diagram, we can provide your direction or your direct irrigation. Okay. Why? Because in this diagram a diversion were constructed into the river to divert water. Okay, so two main canals are also present on the upstream side of where. So on this description, the diagram we can tell it's the direct irrigation system. Thank you.